Bruno. He's a Portuguese magnifico. I know you must be wondering that why I'm sitting today and not standing and why there is not flashy background behind me. Well, today I'm not here to predict the game. I'm here to do the analysis of the game. And we are going to do the analysis of Manchester United versus Bournemouth. Yes, last night Manchester United defeated Bournemouth 5-2. So here I am doing my analysis of the game for you. And I hope many of you know that I'm a Manchester United fan. So it was something special for me, and I can't tell you how I'm feeling right now because after so many years, I'm watching Manchester United in such a great form, and the game quality has improved so much, so much. I love the way they play now because they are not scared of conceding goals. They go ahead and they score more goals to take all 3 points to their name. So, without further ado, let's get into the analysis of this game. So, how was your experience of this game? Personally, I loved the game because we conceded, we went down in starting few minutes, and then we got back and we pushed them back and we started scoring goals. And coming to Bruno Fernandes, as I started this video with his song Bruno Bruno. So, how good has been Bruno Fernandes? जब से ब्रूनो ने मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड ज्वाइन किया मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड हैज चेंज कंप्लीटली. क्या प्लेयर है भाई, क्या प्लेयर है. हाउ गुड ही इज, लाइक ही वांट्स द बॉल ऑल द टाइम. ही वांट्स to push ahead and score goals. He tries to score from outside the box whenever he gets chance, and he's been fantastic. The attitude of the players has changed. The team attitude has changed. Attitude has changed. So I personally love this new Manchester United. Coming to the first goal of Bournemouth, I know we have few issues in defense and we have to solve them by the end of this season because next season, if we want to challenge Chelsea, Liverpool, and Manchester City, then we need to have a solid defense because they have a lethal attacking lineup for next season. So, keeping all that in mind, हैरी मैग्वायर गॉट नटमेग्ड. 80 मिलियन दिए थे इसके लिए हमने. 80 मिलियन. मतलब कैप्टन बना दिया. अब तो थोड़ा परफॉर्म कर दो भाई. थोड़ा तो परफॉर्म कर दो. David De Gea, yeah, I used to support him. I was with him when people used to tell that you need to change David De Gea. He's been poor from since he conceded goals from Ronaldo in the World Cup. His confidence has gone down tremendously. So I don't know what issue he is going through or what he is facing. I think the team management and Ole should talk to him and solve this issue soon because if we want to win the Premier League, if we want to challenge other teams for the Premier League title, then we have to improve our defense and the person standing on the goal. We have Dean Henderson as an option. Currently, he's at Sheffield on loan. So if David De Gea is not performing, we can get Dean Henderson. But I don't want to get into that right now because I want De Gea to have like few more games before we give someone else a chance. Coming to the United equalizer, Mason Greenwood. क्या है भाई तू, क्या है. From where did you come? Fantastic player, amazing player. I love every bit of him. He took the ball left. I thought he won't shot like he won't score that goal, but look at the power of that shot. Bang onto the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper had no chance to stop that. मे बी थोड़े अच्छे गोलकीपर रुक भी सकते थे बट ठीक है लाइक ही स्कोर्ड फ्रॉम हिज लेफ्ट फुट एंड इट वाज अमेजिंग. वी नीडेड दैट इक्वलाइजर बिकॉज that gave us confidence that we can move ahead and score more goals. Coming to the second goal, Marcus Rashford scored a wonderful penalty. He has scored 20 goals in all competitions this season, which is fantastic thing. Like after lockdown actually helped Manchester United because players like Marcus Rashford, Paul Pogba, are now in the team, and with these players you get more confidence around all the players. Bruno Fernandes, who was doing all the work alone in the midfield, has now new partner Paul Pogba. Paul Pogba provides him liberty and gives him little space to go forward and help the striking force to score goals. And he's been amazing. Like Bruno has been amazing. He has scored 6 goals and provided 5 assists since his arrival to Manchester United, and we haven't lost a game since his arrival. So we are 9 games unbeaten in the Premier League, which is a huge thing for a Manchester United, who were like in the starting of the season, many people were saying that United will get relegated or will finish below, like somewhere around the relegation zone, and we were there. But now we are just 2 points below the fourth position Chelsea and 3 points below the third place Leicester City. How good is that? Where are those people? कौन है मेरे से बोल रहा था कि हाँ यूनाइटेड रेलीगेट होगी, यूनाइटेड रेलीगेट हो जाएगी और यूनाइटेड रेलीगेशन के पास फिनिश करेगी, चांस ही नहीं है। कहाँ हो भाई तुम लोग? यहाँ देखो, यहाँ बैठे हम लोग। ओके, वी आर स्टिल हियर एंड वी विल play Champions League next season. I hope Manchester City ban is not uplifted if we finish on fifth. If we finish on fourth, we don't care. But क्योंकि Manchester City के पास बहुत पैसा है, तो आप कुछ भी हो सकता है. They can give a lot of money and get out of this ban. So keeping that in mind, we should finish on fourth position or third position in this league. Coming to the third goal of Anthony Martial. How was that goal? How was that goal? My mouth was like this because he scored a stunner. Like he took the ball to his right and just took a shot from outside the box. What a curler that was! A stunning goal. Goalkeeper had no chance to stop that. After that, we conceded a penalty. I don't know it was a foul or not. I don't personally like VAR because the rules are so like so cluttered kind of, because you don't know what rules are going on and what is the rule. Like they pick the tiny details. uh, the ball hit the Bailey shoulder and they thought that the ball hit the hand, so they gave the penalty and it was right on the line of the box, right on the line. So like Bailey was outside but the ball was right on the line, so if the ball is on the line they give the penalty. खुश नहीं था पेनल्टीज के साथ, मतलब सोचा कि बॉर्नमouth वापस गेम में आ जाएगी, बट दे couldn't because we had Mason Greenwood. Fourth goal of Manchester United. He took the ball towards his right, took little pace, and bang into the left corner of the goal. How good was that goal? How good is this guy actually? Scoring from his left foot first, scoring from his right and and he is 18 years old. Just 18 years old. I love this guy, and people are comparing him with Van Persie. Well, I don't compare so easily. We have to wait and see what he does in future. But he's fantastic. He has scored 15 goals in all competitions this season for Manchester United, and he's 18 years old. बहुत ही बड़ा फ्यूचर है इसका और हमको इसको बचा के रखना है. So coming to the final goal of Manchester United, I know many of you will say that Nemanja Matic was offside. That was slight offside, I know, but I don't care. Like VAR is going in my favor. कब किसने बोला है कि भाई कि मतलब जब किसी के फेवर में जब VAR जाता है तो उसको क्यों बुरा लगेगा? So I don't care, and it was a fantastic goal, so it shouldn't be called offside. Uh, Bruno Fernandes scored a free kick goal, and he put it in the left corner of the goal. It was fantastic. Nemanja Matic, क्या कह सकते हैं, थोड़ा लंबा प्लेयर है तो हो जाता है, बट अमेजिंग गोल फ्रॉम ब्रूनो फर्नांडिस helped us in moving 5-2 up in that game. And I personally believe we could have scored one or two more goals. There were like one or two offsides, but completely satisfied from this game and completely satisfied from Manchester United performance in this game. So I love personally what Manchester United is doing. Like they have been phenomenal. They just need to be consistent, because that's one issue Manchester United had been like from few seasons we are facing that issue, but from 9 games we haven't lost in Premier League, and that tells us everything. uh, so I hope you love this analysis. If you don't, then just put in the comment no, that I don't. Just put no. And if you love this analysis, please put yes, because it will provide me an idea that whether you guys love these kind of videos or not. If I receive a lot of yes, then yes, I will come up with more of analysis video, और ज़्यादा analysis video आपके पास लेके आऊँगा, थोड़ी मस्ती भरे। uh, अभी तो cricket भी आना है, so that will also come in the video. So let me know yes or no whether you want me to continue this analysis of football games or not. Champions League is coming, so there are big games, so I can do analysis of pretty big games. So if you love the analysis, please go ahead and write yes. If you don't, then please no. I will listen to you guys, because I'm doing these things for you guys, so please let me know. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the show. Keep watching Sports Geek.